Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? This is going to be a quick Mully Toots on a bug that was going through Cyberlink Power Director and NeuroVision, and maybe some others. I honestly wouldn't. I honestly don't know. I just know of those two for sure. Anyway, there was a bug a couple years back in those pieces of software, and if you had rendered videos out to WMV format, which you shouldn't do anyway. You should always go to MP4. And yes, this is my video, and I rendered out to WMV, so I'm guilty. Anyway, if you had rendered out to WMV and you've had these uploaded for a couple years, you may notice that they're letterboxed like this. You can see that they got the lines on the above and below. And yes, I'm doing this on purpose. Winner of the YouTube Japan Video of the Year Award 2010, 97,000 Toothpicks by Warm and Strat. Thank you. Check that out if you get a chance. Pretty cool video. Anyway, if this is happening to your old videos, I've got a fix for you. Go into your info and settings, and then come down into your tags, and you're going to put this tag in. Okay, YT:/stretch :stretch equals 16:9. Or is that a semicolon? Doesn't really matter. You can see what it is. And I will put this tag in the description of this video so you can copy and paste it. Okay, anyway, so we're going to save the changes on that. Come on, save changes. All changes saved. Then when you go back to your video, voila, perfectamundo. Okay, now, obviously, if you're like me, if you've got a lot of videos, it could be a real pain in the ass going back and finding every video that's happened to. I've got 709 videos up here. So here's what you're going to do. Click on here. Then come over here. It says all 30 videos on this page are selected. Select all your videos. So this will select everything in your library. Then over here, come down to tags and click that. And then leave a pinned the way it is. And here, put in that tag, and then hit submit. And what that will do is it will add this tag to every single video in your library. Now, the videos that this is not happening to, it will not affect them. So yeah, might as well just go ahead and do all of them. It's the simple solution. So you submit that. Now, there's a possibility that if you went crazy on tags, that some of your videos may have too many tags, and this won't go in. If that happens, you'll get a notice up here afterwards that says such and such videos have too many tags. And then you'll have to go to each individual video, maybe delete a couple tags out of there to get this to fit in. And I guess you can put those in manually then. So yeah, that should be it. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this so I don't do anything because I've already done all mine. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot. And if you got any questions about this, just let me know. And as I always say, if you need anything else, I'll give you a call.